What's going on, everybody? This is Clifford Paint Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're working in Temple Palms, Florida. We're here for a dirty driveway cleaning, as well as a pool deck and a pool screen. I got 2 jobs on the schedule, probably 3. We're gonna be doing some concrete sealing today. I've been doing pavers, but today I'm gonna be doing some concrete driveway. So that's gonna be pretty fun, man. I hope you guys stick around to see that. So let's go check this job out. First, I want to thank y'all for supporting the channel. Make sure you go to the description. I got the giveaway going in right now. You know what I'm saying? You get three chances. You can win either a pair of Hut boots, or you can get a pair of a pressure washing gun or a t-shirt. So 3 chances to win. You can enter every day, as many times as you want. Multiple ways to enter. So make sure y'all go to the description and go to the link, man. So let's go check this job out. So this is the driveway here, as you guys see. It's really bad. Got a lot of algae, a lot of mold. The walkway's pretty dirty too. Up here, he got some efflorescence, which doesn't come out with regular pressure washing, so that's gonna stay there. And then in the back, we got the pool deck. We're gonna be doing the sidewalks too. Sidewalk is pretty dirty. And the street curbs too. The street curbs are really bad. Pretty straightforward job. I got my hoodie on today, man. It's a little chilly out here in Florida today. I love wearing this hoodie, man. It's very comfortable. It's chemical resistant too, so that's a good thing. So this is the cage here. Just your basic algae on there. The screen, no, it's not that bad. Just a little bit of algae on them, but mostly it's the cage. The deck is pretty good, as you guys can tell. The deck is pretty clean, but we're gonna clean the cage up, get rid of all that right there. The cage is the top beams aren't bad, but we're gonna clean those too. So for the most part, it's gonna be an easy one today. We're just gonna be downstreaming our SH. And you guys know I start from the outside first. All right, that's the job, guys. Let's go ahead and start it now. We all downstream on the inside. Everything is coming out real clean. All the beams that was dirty, you can see it. Melts like butter. Okay, we're back outside now. We're gonna go ahead and start rinsing the cage from when we started. Wrap around, knock out the inside, the deck, and then we're moving on to the driveway. We got the cage all cleaned up. Everything's looking nice and white. Clean the screens. Like I said, this deck wasn't that bad. My downstream mix already fell on this, so it's pretty loosened up. I think all I gotta do is rinse it. I don't think none of this stuff is gonna take much to get off. Just gonna give it a good rinse. I may use my surface cleaner underneath over here where it's covered. It was a little bit more dirty. I already downstreamed this part already too. I don't know what this is. I don't know. It looks like it's dirty. So yeah, that's pretty much dirty. We're gonna clean that up with the surface cleaner. Man, what, somebody clean the deck and then clean under here? It's crazy. This is pretty dark. This house has low flow, so now I'm having to wait for water to fill up in the buffer tank before I can start back. So when we come back, we're gonna be doing the pool deck. The deck is cleaned up. It looks much better. It's weird that I think it's just painted. That's what this is. That's why it looks much darker on this side, but it had a lot more algae on it. Looks 5 times brighter. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and do up front. The customer requested I do the front of the house, so I'll be washing the front of the house as well as the driveway. All right, this is the house here. It's not really as bad that the customer made it seem. Got some little slight algae on the drip edge. The house itself is not, you know what I'm saying, like full of algae. Just want to get it freshened up. The windows got a little bit of algae on them. But for the most part, let me see if we got some mud daubers. Nah, no mud daubers. Pretty easy. We're gonna go ahead and downstream the front of the house as well as the driveway. I'm gonna downstream the driveway first. Go ahead and start on this driveway. The house is done. Let me just show you guys what it looks like. So all the algae that was up there is pretty much gone and cleaned up. It wasn't that much up there anyway. Check out the windows. Windows are nice and clean. See that shine, that reflection up of there. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and knock out the driveway. I'm gonna put y'all on the surface cleaner mount, give y'all a different view, man. Enjoy. We all finished here. Driveway is nice and cleaned up. Probably gonna try to see if he wants to get them sealed, man. Might as well. Much better. These right here look like they got no seal on them. It's so dry. Pitch it to the homeowner. He went to Publix. I don't know where y'all from. You feel y'all got Publix or not, man? I know Florida notorious for Publix. So yeah, he went to Publix to get the cash money. But yeah, we're done here, man. We just waiting on him to pull up. I'm gonna let my buffer tank fill up a little bit more before I leave, and we'll see you guys at the ceiling job, man. Concrete ceiling. Okay, you guys, we're at the second job for the day. This is a returning customer. I was just here a few weeks ago, and I told you guys I was gonna be coming back to do a concrete ceiling. I cleaned the driveway already. The driveway is nice and clean. I mean, it's spotless, man. So I linked the video for that cleaning up top so you guys can watch me clean it. This is gonna be the second part. All I'm gonna be doing basically is blowing off the debris and applying the sealer. Let's check out the driveway. So you can see the driveways, whew, bright. Of course, they got this stain here. They know that was not gonna come out. Everything over here is nice and clean. I'm just gonna blow off the leaves and little sticks and stuff like that, and applying the sealer to the concrete. You'll see I have no lines whatsoever. There's no lines on the concrete. Everything is clean. They only want the driveway sealed. I'm not gonna be sealing the sidewalks. These are older customers. They just don't want to have to keep on cleaning the driveway. When you seal the driveway, it protects it from algae growing on it so fast. You know, if you have spills, it clean up pretty easy. So you guys can tell the driveway is nice and clean. Pavers right there. You can't beat that. So yeah, man, I'm gonna grab my blower. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm using. I'm using Deco products. I think it's called Deco Clear 20. I think that's the name for it. Let's double check it just to make sure. It's my first time using it. Yeah, it's the Clear. So we're gonna be using by Deco products. This is the website. Man, I'm on the sun. Sorry guys. Sorry. Here you go. This is the website right here. Go on the website, call them, and find out what's your nearest distributor. So I'm going to be applying that with my 20-volt pump-up sprayer. You could do this with a pail sprayer if you wanted to. You can do it with a regular pump-up sprayer if you wanted to. Whatever you got that you can apply it with. I'm going to use my backpack blower just to get the stuff off. And then we're going to start sealing, man. Easy peasy, right? All right, let's go. So we're gonna be using the pump-up sprayer. I'm gonna show you guys how to pour your 5 gallon into a pump-up sprayer. All right, so what you wanna do, this part you wanna put it up top to pour it. If you pour it this way, it's gonna shoot out in spurts, and it's gonna be all over the place. So the best thing to do is flip it this way. Pour it like that. Looks like water, right? I noticed that this pump sprayer, it says it's 5 gallons. I mean, 4 gallons. And I can almost put 5 in here, man. I guess it's the way it's built. I think one 5 gallon bucket is supposed to cover around 1,000 square feet. And I got about 1,800, so I got 2 of them. So we'll see what we have left. All right, so with concrete sealing, it's not like paver sealing. You guys know we usually do a flood coat. Put it heavy on just to make sure it soaks in, and then you do a top coat or mist coat to make them pop. For concrete, you don't have to do that. So with concrete, you want to make it puddle. You just want to spray it on top, a nice layer, and you only got to apply one time. Another thing is you can't apply 2 coats with concrete sealer anyway, because it's not gonna take. Once you put it on there the first time, you can't put more on top. So I'm gonna show you guys a little demonstration on the sidewalk, which is not sealed, and then when we're done with the driveway, I'm gonna show you when it's sealed, what's the difference. So I'm gonna grab my paint shield so I can cover the garage. I want to get that on the garage, or you know, anything up here like the pavers. All right, let's get it. All right, so that's how it's gonna look. It's gonna look ugly like this, like my man Miracle said. It's gonna look ugly if it look if it looks better. But over here is drying up. Let me show you guys something. You can't put 2 coats, like I said. You see, when I sprayed it, it was wet. So this is the side I already sprayed and sealed. Started to dry up. Watch this. I'm gonna spray this. Look at the ground. Look. Nothing. That's how you know when it's sealed. When the ground gets wet, like if the driveway's not sealed, you pour water on it, it's gonna get dark because it's absorbing the liquid. When it's sealed, it'll just look. Nothing. So that means it's sealed up. But it's drying up nicely. Let me show you guys the same thing over here. Look. Stays dry. So okay guys, we're gonna give it a little time. They say after an hour you can drive on it. The customer's out of town right now, or I think they're at a appointment or somewhere. They're not home, so they told me give them an hour before they can drive on it. And I started this side here about 30 minutes or so ago, and so far it looks so good. See, this side is drying up. I'm gonna give it a little time. I'm gonna hang out for a little bit and show you guys the final product. Okay, the time has come. Do a little test for you guys. We'll do it over here. Let me find a good spot. We'll do it right here. Are y'all ready? Watch this. Woo! Look how that water just sits there. Look at that. Like magic. Let me just do another little spot for y'all. Show y'all another little spot. Do a little spot on this corner. Right here. Let's do it right here. Look at that. Woohoo! Look at that. I'm gonna show y'all the difference. This is the sidewalk. Watch this. See how it gets wet? That's how you know it's not sealed. This is not sealed compared to this right here. My boy Miracle would say, "Oh, look at that! Oh, look at that!" Yes, sir. That was fun. All right, y'all. 2 jobs, man. It's still early. It's only like 12:30. I'm gonna see if I can call a couple of my customers that I have booked for tomorrow. See if I can knock it out, whatever they got. All right, guys. Right now we're in Riverview, Florida. Like I said, we're here for this driveway cleaning. 3-car garage driveway. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Got some dirt on it. There's a little algae on it. This is the house me and Steve did last week with a paver ceiling in the back and the house wash. Shining bright over there. But yeah, we're gonna knock this out. We're gonna put a little downstream mix on here. Start this thing up. Start this thing up, baby. Let's go. All right, so we're done here. Of course, we got a bunch of tinning stains that we got to treat. See how bad it is over here. Same thing with this sidewalk. It's really bad under the tree. It's way too dark. It looks dirty still. It's not because I was going too fast or anything like that. It's just the tinning stains are just in there. It's too heavy all throughout right here. So we're gonna post treat those. See, we got some over here too. We're gonna post treat all that right there. Get a better product, man. Easy. We're gonna apply it. I'm gonna catch on the recap. All right, we're all wrapped up. Before we leave, let's check out the post-treated parts. Look at that. Nice and bright concrete. SH, little surfactant from the SH still up there, but it's gonna dry up. Same thing with the sidewalks. That was really bad. All the stains have been lifted. Over here's already dried up, so it's gonna look like that when it's dry. Over here was more tinning stain, so that's why you see it looks more white over there. Same thing over here. All these right here disappeared. Yes, sir. All right, you guys, we're gonna go to the next stop. I'm not even sure what I'm supposed to be doing. Last time I talked to the customer, he had a host of services for me to do, so we're gonna go see what he has. We're gonna go to Wimauma, Florida. First time I'm going there, so see y'all when I get there. All right, you guys, right now we're in Wimauma, Florida. We're here for we're gonna be doing a gutter cleaning, blowing off the roof, as well as a bunch of concrete cleaning for this customer, which watches the channel. So he also watches Don at Super Blast pressure washing. So I'm gonna go take care of him. Let's go check it out. So this is the driveway. Pretty black. This stuff out here gets dirty pretty fast. You can see this is a shaded property. So we're gonna be cleaning up this concrete here. This is gonna turn out nice when I'm done with it. We got a small back patio here. We're gonna be doing that. And we were gonna do the lanai, but there's carpet in there, which I don't think we can spray SH. Well, I don't want to take the risk of spraying SH. So we're not gonna do it in there. They have to clean this area a little because of the gutters. That's funny. So we're gonna make it look just like that. This is pretty black. This walkway wraps around the corner to the front. And then we're gonna be doing this walkway up here. All right, That's the job. We're gonna downstream the slab over there, get everything to start pre-treating and breaking down before we surface clean it. We all cleaned up, but you see it was really bad, so we got some tinting stains and some stripes. It was really dirty over here. It's not my tips. It's just real dirty concrete, man. You can see it all over the place. So we're gonna upholstery those, and then we're gonna continue with the project, and then we're gonna come back and see what it looks like. Alright, quick update. Everything is going on pretty well. We got this L shape walkway from here. Everything over there is clean. We're gonna clean from where the surface cleaner is right there. Around here. Get all that black stuff. I think I gotta pre-treat it. I didn't get this far pre-treating. I'm gonna pre-treat with some SH. Loosen that up before we start surface cleaning. You guys saw I upholstery the other side. I will do the same thing to the front area, because it was as bad as the other way. So I gotta rinse this up too. So we see we got some stains, some tinting stains left over. Not so much over here. Got a couple over here. Over here we got some lines. I'll upholstery those also. And that's the first thing you see when you walk up to the house is this walkway. So you gotta have that looking good. All right, let me grab that 12 volt, upholstery that, pre-treat over there, and surface clean. Alright, y'all, we all done. See how everything looks. Bagged up the leaves best as possible. Then I got 5 bags. Back here looking good. Let's go check out the big driveway. And I'm leaving here, I'm going straight to my son's football game. I'm filming this on a Friday, y'all, so just so y'all know. This is cleaned up over here. This is the slab that was really black earlier. Look at that. Clean, post treated. Everything came out great. I did the little stones for them for free. All the way around. This is the walkway. Cleaned and post treated. Stones all the way around. This is the front door area. And that's it. Yeah, I appreciate y'all checking the video out. I gotta run fast and get to this game. Might be a little late. I get there first quarter. So y'all enjoy the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Go to the description and get into that giveaway. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.